Nice. I like your.
This week in R&R, we went about making our wall. Monday, Tuesday, we kind of spent time laying bricks, putting gravel in, and then putting dirt. Wednesday, Thursday we got a load of dirt. It was great. A big old dump truck came in, dumped it down on us. It was awesome.
We put in a drain line, so we dug underneath and put that in. And then a lot of time on the tractor. Everybody was getting their fair share. I think Sophia really made everybody else look bad, but that's just me.
Yeah.
Actually, Max is doing pretty good too. He was showing us tricks.
Did pretty good on the tractor myself.
We ran into some bumps because we heard back on the asbestos survey, and there was asbestos in the house, which is a shame.
So now we have to pay a whole bunch of money to get somebody to come in and take it out.
So unfortunately, that pushes out our timeline because we can't work in the house.
Yeah, we can't go in.
So legally. I think what that means is we're gonna finish up this wall, and then we're gonna start on the back porch because it needs replaced, and then the front porch because it needs replaced, and then if we have time, we're gonna do back patio.
Yeah.
Put a fire pit in and
lay a
stuff.
slab.
We can do marshmallows while we're waiting.
That'd be sweet.
I did want to make mention to Mutual Materials.
Oh, Mutual Materials. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, for this. This is excellent. So they helped us out a whole bunch, helping our school out. And then also DeWalt for the roto hammer for the pins. And then Mike Mangold for helping us with the dirt delivery.
Yep,
the
thank
truck.
you. Thank you for coming and dumping the dirt.
Yeah,
appreciate you. Oh, the asbestos testing.
The asbestos testing. Wait.
My name is Jen. I'm with EnviroTest.
Thank you.
Yep.
For that.
So we've been getting a lot of help lately. So Mr. Amos has been helping us on the design for the porch. So hopefully we'll be starting on that as soon as we get this filled up.
Dude, my shoes are gray again. I haven't seen them like this in a while.
That's week 4 for you.
No.
That's week 5 for you.